Hey guys, Ray Leggett. I want to invite you and encourage you to be a part of this year's employee campaign for the Foundation. It's an opportunity once again for you to give back to your community, to serve others, to make it better for those that are less fortunate. You know, 100% of what you give goes to the cause. Not 1 cent goes to paying salaries or any other overhead. 100% of what you give will be used for the purpose. We're so blessed to be a part of this organization, and this gives us one more opportunity to demonstrate our servant's heart. Thank you for your support.
Hi, my name is Edward Singletary. I've been working in the cafeteria for 5 years, and the reason why I donate to the employee campaign is because I know my money will be going to somewhere where it's needed.
My name is Mandy Daniels. I've worked at the Heart Center for Carolina East for just over 3 years. I donated to the foundation before I actually used the foundation. I was diagnosed with Hodgkin's lymphoma last year in March, and the foundation helped out a lot. I had to have a bone marrow transplant, and at the same time all this was going on and I was trying to receive treatment, my dad,
Alan Daniels, wound up with prostate cancer. The foundation really helped with the gas and the cards for expenses to try to get us through, because it was a trying time for the whole family.
And my name is Debbie Daniels, and I also work for Carolina East. The foundation helped me in having the cards to put towards gas, which everybody knows is expensive. The gift cards helped us with necessities. So with God and the help of Carolina East and a lot of family and friends, we have been truly blessed.
and we've made it.
And we've made it. They're both in remission now.
All right, my name is Darrell Jerome Bryant Sr. Go to my doctor, I'm not feeling good, and he tells me I got stage 4 cancer. Having cancer, it kind of shakes your world. My wife found out that Carolina East Foundation would help us out, so we called Amy and talked with Amy, and she has been a blessing to us. A lot of bills was coming in at the time, and it enabled us to be able to figure out how we're going to pay for it.
I'm Ida Bryant, Daryl's wife. I'm an employee at Carolina East Medical Center. I was trying to figure out how I could help my husband, and I sent Amy an email, and she responded back immediately. She was like, we have something ready for him before he leaves the next day. So she was awesome, and she was on it, and I was very grateful.
I'm Sherry Rattil, Director for Hope Clinic, and we provide free medical care to patients that have no type of insurance and can't afford access to medical care. And Carolina East Foundation has been a huge partner in helping us save lives with their grants and patient assistance. In particular, the grants have funded things like lab care, which helps us diagnose early diabetes. It helps us diagnose early prostate cancer. Additionally, diagnostic testing, finding cancer as early as possible. And again, these are people that would have no other access to medical care. These are people that would go untreated and, likely would not make it.
Hope Clinic sent me for a sleep test. It came back that I had nocturnal hypoxia. I'm 38, so I got to where I couldn't sleep because I was afraid I would wake up the next morning. And I have 5 kids of my own, and I take care of a lot of neighbor kids that don't have places to go. The Hope Clinic, they were like, we're trying to get you one, we're trying to get you one, we're trying to get you an oxygen machine. And I was like, well, if it comes through, great, if not. And then one of the nurses here, Miss Yolanda, she called me and she goes, we got it, we got it, we got it. She goes, Carolina East Foundation said that they would help pay for your concentrator. And I was so happy, and it was a great relief to be able to sleep.
I'm Bob Whitmore, one of the urologists at Carolina East Medical Center, and I've been asked to give a reason as to why I support the foundation. And it's really a fairly simple reason. I do it because I think it's the right thing to do, but also because it makes me feel good to do it. And that's about it.
Hi, my name is Juliet Rogers. I'm the Executive Director at Religious Community Services. We've been in operation now for 33 years, but our mission really remains the same, and that is to be the hands and feet of Jesus Christ. We are feeding people, we're clothing people, and we're giving people shelter. Carolina East Foundation was generous enough to provide us for the past 2 years with a grant for $15,000. That grant goes to serve people coming out of the ER when they go to Carolina East. If an accident happens and they find themselves in the ER, money's tight already or non-existent, and they're going to need some help getting that prescription. So they'll come to RCS, and they will be able to get a voucher for them to go to their pharmacy and get that medicine filled. The amount of stress that is placed on someone that is living below the poverty level is just amazing. That grant that we are provided goes so far and so long, not only to get them out of physical pain, but to know that there's someone out there that's never met them that is willing to give them hope through just one little prescription. And that's you all, and you all do it for us. And so on behalf of Religious Community Services, I want to say thank you for your generosity. I hope you'll continue to think of us when you're doing your pledges, because we certainly couldn't do it without you.
My name is Amy Muse. I am 25 years old. I was diagnosed with rectal cancer. Carolina East Foundation has helped me to support and receive money until Dr. Barreto was able to be signed on as a in-network contract provider. It's helped me greatly. I'm able to discuss with her things that I may not be able to discuss with family members. So emotionally, Carolina East Foundation has helped with the emotional support through having cancer. And it's definitely nice to have support from people who may not know you, but just a kind word, an uplifting thought. People like employees of Carolina East that are able to help us who don't even know us. It speaks volumes to help somebody that you don't even know. So I am grateful and thankful and very appreciative of the Carolina East Foundation.